Stop. If you're waiting for a green card, this update could change your timeline overnight. And one decision in this update is something most people are completely missing. I'll explain that in a minute. Because what just happened in March 2026 could affect your case, your status, or someone in your family right now. Welcome back to Global Entry News. I'm Edward. And let me break this down in plain English so you know exactly what's happening and what you should do next. Let's start with the update that's giving real hope right now. The March 2026 Visa Bulletin is finally moving, and not just slightly. This is meaningful progress. If you've been stuck in an employment-based category, this could be a big deal for you, because priority dates are moving forward. And here's what most people don't understand. This isn't just a chart update. This could be your moment to move forward after years of waiting. So right now, check your priority date, because you might already be eligible and not even know it. But wait, it gets even better. This month, USCIS is allowing the dates for filing chart. Now this is huge, because normally you have to wait for your final action date, and that can take months or even years. But right now, many people can apply earlier. And if you're in the United States, this could change everything. You can file your adjustment of status sooner. You can apply for a work permit. You can get travel authorization. And most importantly, you move closer to your green card. For many families, this isn't just paperwork. This is about finally working legally, supporting your family, and living without fear. Thousands of cases are affected every single month by Visa Bulletin movement like this. So timing matters. And missing this window could cost you months. Now, if this is helping you understand what's going on, hit subscribe, because updates like this can directly affect your case. Now here's where things get serious. There were reports that some immigrants were being deported, not to their home countries, but to completely different countries. And this shocked a lot of people. In some cases, individuals were sent to places they had never even been to. No family, no support, no connection. Imagine that happening without warning. That raised serious legal concerns. But now, the courts have stepped in. A federal judge has ruled this practice is unlawful. Immigration authorities cannot deport people to third countries without proper legal justification. This is a major decision, because it protects people from being sent into dangerous situations without due process. And it shows something important. There are still limits. Now this next update could directly affect families right now. Many immigrants were being held in detention without the chance to request bond. That means staying locked up for months, separated from family, waiting with no clear timeline. But here's what just changed. A new court ruling says this cannot continue. People cannot be detained indefinitely without the opportunity for bond. And this is huge, because now many detainees may be able to get released. So what helps in a bond case? Family in the U.S., a pending case, a clean record, proof you will attend court. If these are strong, release becomes possible. And that changes everything. Because instead of waiting inside detention, you fight your case from home. Now, let's go back to something I mentioned earlier. The decision most people are missing. It's not just the Visa Bulletin. It's the combination of early filing plus court protections happening at the same time. This creates a rare moment where more people can apply, more people are protected, and more cases are moving forward at once. That doesn't happen often. Now let's talk about what could shape what happens next. President Donald Trump has fired Homeland Security Secretary Christy Noem. And this is a big deal. There have been growing criticism over her leadership, especially around immigration enforcement and legal challenges. After her removal, Trump nominated Senator Markwayne Mullin. But here's what matters to you. When DHS leadership changes, policies can change. Enforcement can change. Your situation can change. So this is something you need to watch closely. Now let's step back for a second. Because here's the truth. Immigration is always changing. One update can open a door or close it. And if you're not paying attention, you could miss something that changes your life. So if you have a pending case, this is your moment. Check your status. Understand your options. Take action. Because the right move at the right time can change everything. And remember, you're not alone. Millions of people are going through this same journey. And sometimes, things start moving in your favor. If you want real, clear immigration updates that actually help you, subscribe to Global Entry News. Because the next update might not just inform you, it might change your future. I'm Edward. I'll see you in the next one.